If you have a Ford Escape with a display in the center of the dash, and when you turn the key on, all of a sudden you see the oil change required, I'm going to show you how to reset it after you complete an oil change. To reset your oil change required reminder, the first thing you want to do is turn the key on, but do not start the engine. With your feet, you want to press the gas pedal and the brake pedal at the same time, and you want to hold it for 3 seconds. You're going to see service oil reset in progress. And you want to keep holding to assess the reset procedure has been completed. Now it says service oil reset complete. Now that the reset procedure has been completed, release the gas and brake pedal. Once you complete it, turn the key off. And that's how you reset the oil change required reminder.